Have you ever seen a math question that looks very simple, but somehow almost everyone gets it wrong? Let's look at this carefully. 8 minus 8 divided by 10, then multiplied by 2. It looks very easy, right? Now, most people will quickly say 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 divided by 10 is still 0. And 0 times 2 is still 0. So they conclude that the answer is 0. That sounds correct, but it is actually wrong. Now, the real question is, why is it wrong? Did we not solve it step by step? Or is there a rule we are missing? In mathematics, you cannot just solve any problem in any order you like. There's a special order you must follow, and that order is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS is simply a guide that tells you what to solve first. Each letter has a meaning. P means parentheses, things inside brackets. E means exponents, numbers raised to a power. M means multiplication, which means times. D means division, which means sharing. A means addition, which means plus. S means subtraction, which means minus. Think of it like cooking food. You don't eat raw rice before cooking it. You don't cook after eating. You follow steps in the correct order. Math works exactly the same way. Now, here's the most important part. Multiplication and division are equal. Addition and subtraction are also equal. So we solve them from left to right. Not randomly, not by guessing, but from left to right. People see the question, 8 minus 8 divided by 10, then multiplied by 2, and they rush to subtract first. They do 8 minus 8 immediately, but that is not allowed yet, because subtraction comes last. If you are starting to understand this, take a moment to subscribe, because the next example will make everything even clearer. Let's try a simple example. 12 divided by 3, then multiplied by 2. We start from the left. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now we have 4 multiplied by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So the final answer is 8. You can see we did not jump around. We moved step by step from left to right. Now, let's go back to the main question. 8 minus 8 divided by 10, then multiplied by 2. First, we look for division or multiplication. We see 8 divided by 10, so we solve that first. 8 divided by 10 means sharing 8 into 10 equal parts. That gives us 0.8. Now the question becomes 8 minus 0.8 multiplied by 2. Next, we multiply. 0.8 times 2 is the same as adding 0.8 plus 0.8, which gives us 1.6. Now we have 8 minus 1.6. Finally, we subtract. 8 minus 1.6 gives us 6.4. So the correct answer is 6.4, or 6 and 2 over 5. The lesson here is simple. Do not rush. Do not subtract first. Always follow the correct order, because one small mistake can give you a completely wrong answer, and that is why the simple question confuses so many people.